Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you all? Hope that enjoying the time at home also with studies now. Okay. And today we are going to our next topic, that is the air passageway. Whenever we talk about the air passageway, I think so it's very clear to you people, or it's coming to your brain that air passageway means we are talking about the gaseous exchange. So it means that in particularly today we will talk about all those parts of our body which are involved in the process of breathing. What is breathing? We are taking in oxygen from the outer surrounding and we are giving out carbon dioxide. Once again, what I am doing, have a just observation of me. I am taking in oxygen, then inside my lungs, which are here in the chest cavity, it's exchanging, the oxygen is being exchanged with the other gas, and I am releasing carbon dioxide out. But first of all, afterward we will go through this whole mechanism. But first of all, in our today's topic, we are more concerned about each and every body part which is being involved in this system. So if we talk about this, we are starting from our oral cavity. This all called oral cavity. In the oral cavity, or we can say, if we talk about the oral cavity, it comes from the mouth. Same, this is the oral cavity. Above the oral cavity, this nose is designed for this purpose, and we call it nasal cavity. What we call it? Nasal cavity. Outside of this nasal cavity, we are having two nostrils. We are having two nostrils. These are the two tubes which are acting as a two tubes through which we can inhale the air from the outward surrounding. And if you people closely observe inside these nostrils, very small hairs are present. What is the purpose of those hairs? Those hairs are just acting as a filters for we people. How they're acting as a filters? Whenever we are breathing in any environment, in many kind of the germs, the dust particles are present inside the air. So these hairs inside the nostrils are acting as a filter. They are just trapping all the, you can say, germs, dust particles here first at this point. Okay, now if we go down from this nasal cavity, we are having the second portion. At this portion, this nasal cavity is going and opening down into a single tube that we call pharynx. What we call it? Pharynx. Then we at the same side of the pharynx, basically I told you people, if you people remember nutrition topic, digestive system, that here at this place we are having an opening. That opening is leading into the two tubes. One tube is we call it esophagus, that is also known as a food pipe, and other tube we call it pharynx. Pharynx is basically a windpipe. The other name for the pharynx is the windpipe. So this pharynx, it's leading the air toward the downward side. Okay, then at the other place, it's a voice box is here. At this place we are having a voice box. We can even just if we hold it here and we can just speak, we can feel the vibration of this voice box here. Then next to the voice box, we are having an other opening that we called, you can say, it's the opening called trachea. Trachea open into the other tubes, which we are just step by step we are going through that, and finally the air is reaching into inside our lungs. Inside this are thoracic cavity. This area we call it thoracic cavity, we call it chest cavity. In the chest cavity, if we just press it hard here, we are having the ribs here. Ribs and the rib cage is protecting our two delicate organs. One is called heart and other is called lungs. So basically our lungs are being protected by the rib cage. And finally the air is going to the lung side, and lungs is a place, in particularly inside the lungs, alveoli is a place where the exchange of the gases is taking place. I think so. I think so. Now come to your topic here.